अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम.
क्या नाम है आपका?
Ashfaq.
इशफाक, कैसे हैं आप? How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Where are you from?
England.
England. How are you?
Good.
Good. What is your name?
Sarah.
Sarah. Wow, same name. My daughter's name is also Sarah.
Wow.
Do you like this place, zoo?
Yeah.
Okay. And are you enjoying here in Pakistan?
Yeah.
Yes. Good. Sarah, do you want to say something about Pakistan? To your friends, you can record a message for your friends. Sarah, say something about Pakistan. Say we like Pakistan.
I love the food.
I like the food in Pakistan.
What kind of food? Like biryani?
The spicy chicken.
Spicy chicken? So, Ishfaq, आप कब
We have a reason to actually come on here.
Why? What?
My kids there in the year 1 and 2, and the mother is actually a school teacher as well. So we've come from Pakistan to explore a bit of zoo facility here, you know, to enjoy a bit of nature. And part of the appeal here is to save the rainforest because obviously there are lots of endangered species, and with what's going on around the world, it isn't great.
born here in Pakistan?
No. So from
born.
yeah. So I'm actually Indian.
So, do
heritage.
you feel safe in Pakistan?
I think safety is not a concern as such, but it is upsetting to see that there is so much of firearms available at any place at any time. You know, for example, you go to a decent restaurant to eat food, but there is a man outside with a gun. You know, what's the
Do you
need?
like our food?
Oh, absolutely love food, and I think hands down I've been quite few
Like
places.
local food. I'm talking about local food.
Yeah, if the tummy can hold up, then it's fine. I mean, I'd love to try more and more, but I think for that I need to be here a long time. So
When are you going back?
we're here for 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Very nice. Enjoy your trip. Thank you so much. Sarah, can you sing a song for us?
Come on.
Or you can say poem.
Poem? No, she doesn't know any of that. She knows fair few, but she won't do it. She's a bit camera shy.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for your time.
All right.
Bye bye, Sarah.
Yeah, bye bye.
Bye. व्यूअर्स आपने देखा कि इंग्लैंड से आए हुए थे और इंग्लैंड बॉर्न ही थे और इन्जॉय इन्होंने किया। एक इन्होंने ये जब मैंने उनसे पूछा कि आप डू यू फील सेफ़ इन पाकिस्तान, तो उन्होंने यही कहा कि सेफ़्टी इज़ नॉट कंसर्न। हमारा जो कंसर्न है वो सेफ़्टी नहीं है, इन्जॉयमेंट है कि हम यहाँ पे घूमते हैं फिरते हैं, बच्चों को इन्जॉय करवा रहे हैं। तो ऐसा ही होना चाहिए। सिर्फ हमेशा ही आप ये सोच के ना जाएँ। मेरा ख्याल है कोई भी चीज़, कोई भी जगह जो है आप सेफ़ नहीं आपको फ़ील होती है। आप देख लें कहाँ कौन सा मुल्क सेफ़ रह गया है। इवन दैट कि यूएस में क्राइम रेट सबसे ज़्यादा है। इंग्लैंड में हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा सुनते हैं स्नैचिंग बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, वहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा चोरियाँ होती हैं। वीडियोज़ में आता है बड़ी बड़ी ज्वेलरी शॉप्स पे लोग जो है दिन दिहाड़े वारदातें कर लेते हैं। तो हम सिर्फ पाकिस्तान ही को क्यों बदनाम करते हैं।